REVG stock analysis for tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm as the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made. I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with Rev Group. I mean, I was a very big fan of taking things up beforehand, but it just kind of gapped up without me, which is solid performance. Because look at this, like at the time, let's make it higher. Yeah, right. Just 21 hours ago, only got 7 views, which freaking sucks. But all I look to do is just double down buy. So, unironically, I'm just gonna mark out the top here, like that. It's my demand zone. And only if, I mean, the only way that I would take things further up is I'm praying for this call pull down a bit. I'm praying for the price to come back down a bit, you know, like, because I'm not gonna just simply buy the top. And if it doesn't, and it just takes the highs out and just keeps going, so be it. But if you do want to learn how to make 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. I'll see you in the next one.